Welcome to Cam Look, your chance to visit with the Cincinnati Art Museum on a weekly basis. Each Tuesday and Thursday, a staff member or volunteer will present an object from the museum's permanent collection and pose questions for discussion. Please check back at 10 a.m. on those days for new work and a new conversation. Hi, I'm Susan, a docent at the museum, and today I went looking for something shiny and bright, something festive, something decorative. There was plenty to choose from. We have over 7,000 artworks fitting that description. Decorative arts and design objects were among the first artworks acquired by the museum when it was founded in 1881. 19th century European ceramics like these pieces, 18th century French furnishings, and 18th and 19th century English silver. In the following years, Tiffany glass, rookwood and other pottery, as well as contemporary arts and crafts were added. So many beautiful things. It was a tough call, but I settled on this Gorham silver centerpiece to share. Measuring over 17 inches tall and 24 inches across, it's a large work. The central figure is Neptune, Roman god of the sea. Unfortunately, we can't see Venus, also a Roman deity, who is featured on the opposite side. Venus was said to have emerged already in adult form from the sea foam. Botticelli's depiction of Venus is probably the most familiar. Look closely and you'll find mermaids and mermen frolicking in the waves. Two other mermaids with arched backs act as handles. The handles are what I like best about the work, that and the way it sparkles. Silver departments were common in downtown department stores when I was growing up. Gorham was a name I recognized. I fantasized about what silver flatware pattern I might one day have. Gorham Chantilly, their most famous pattern, was high on the list. The Gorham Manufacturing Company was established in 1831 in Providence, Rhode Island. The largest metalworking foundry in the world at the turn of the 20th century, it was acquired in 1967 and ownership transferred multiple times until today Gorham operates as a division of the Lenox Corporation. Our work is from Gorham's most successful product line known as Martel. Martel is French for hammered. Handcrafted or hand-hammered silver followed the ideals and traditions of the arts and crafts movement, popular at the time. The movement did not promote a particular style, but worked to revive hand craftsmanship, improve quality, and make useful objects beautiful. Due to the fact that all Martel silver was handmade, each object tended to be unique in style. The sensual and elegant curvilinear forms with elements of nature place our work in an Art Nouveau category. Martel was introduced at the 1900 Universal Exposition in Paris. Our work was completed in 1903 and exhibited at the St. Louis World's Fair in 1904. I enjoyed sharing this work with you today. It's one that really benefits from an up-close look. I have a few questions. If this was your work, where would you display it? What would you put in it? How long would it take to polish? If you don't see it when you visit at the museum, check out any number of our other decorative items on display. Hope to see you here soon.